If cold air makes your teeth sensitive, one of the first things I'd suggest you do is make sure that you are not using baking soda or peroxide to clean your teeth morning or night, or products that contain baking soda or peroxide. These would be whitening products, products that contain whitening or advertise that they are for whitening teeth. Stop using those products and instead use my complete mouth care system. What's happening if you use baking soda and peroxide is that your gums can recede and expose in your mouth the area of your tooth that is not covered in enamel. This is the root of your tooth, and that only has cementum, which is a very soft, porous layer. It's not supposed to be exposed in the mouth. And the trouble is, when it is, and you inhale cold air, it can be painful, unbelievably painful. And so don't go rushing to the dentist because they can't really properly address this. The most important thing is to stop damaging your gums and help your gums to regrow. And that is what I teach. That is how my complete mouth care system helps you, and regrow your gums back over that cementum, and your sensitivity will go away.